Welcome! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to prevent specific contacts from seeing your last seen and online status on Telegram Web right from your PC. This is part of the new update that gives you more privacy control than ever before. So let's get started. First, open Telegram Web on your computer. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small lines. That's the menu button. Click on it. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, go straight to Privacy and Security. This is where all the privacy customization happens. Now click on Last Seen and Online. Here, Telegram lets you choose who can see when you were last active. To keep things more private, select My Contacts. This option means only the people you've saved can see your last seen or online status. But we're going to take it one step further. Scroll down until you find the section called Never Allow. This is the key part. Click on it and you'll see a list of all your contacts. Choose the specific people who don't want to see your last seen information. You can select one or several users. It's completely up to you. After selecting them, confirm your changes. Once you do, Telegram automatically updates your privacy settings, and those chosen contacts won't be able to see when you were last online or your last seen timestamp anymore. It's that simple. With just a few clicks, you gain better control over who sees your activity.